Oy, tayo ni Mama Dam. Tayo ni Mama. Tahimik ka.
Alapin sa langit pa.
Bro.
Dali tayo naman.
Alapin mo may stick pala eh.
Sa-picture kami.
Tingnan mo.
Meow.
Tahimik ka.
Ganda ng galing mo yung
Hindi, ginisa yung malaking bilog. Yan. Yan.
Parang flash.
Wala. Malinaw siya.
Ay, sorry.
ID picture. ID picture.
Romel, pa-picture kami, Romel. Ayan. Si James na lang pala.
Gusto ko sa likod din, dito ko sa harap. Ikaw sa taas.
Let me tell you. You my little boo thing, so I don't give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something fresh, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something fresh, I know. Put a little gold in the teeth and the fingers, so I to the doors, I keep okay. I see a brother holding his seat, no beef, but I'm trying to get to know you at least. Don't take my time to your run. I can take a photo, send me on gone. When your man long gone, you can feel it like what's with you? Tonight, that's for sure. I'm outside, no reach out. You want me, go figure. To the back, to the front. You a tan baby girl, but I'm the one. Hey, to the back, to the front. You a tan baby girl, but I'm the one. You my little boo thing, so I don't give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something fresh, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something fresh, I know.
Laika!
You say, girl, I know you a little too tight. I be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something fresh, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something fresh, I know.
Raika, picture tayo. Eh. Uy. Uy ka ate.
Ha?
Guys, mag-picture tayo dito ah.
Yay! Tara na. Panood ako.
Oy, ready na kayo sa ano nyo? 2 to 3 minutes. Minutes, wala ka na okay na?
Alam, friend. Sa'yo naman. Pwede na?
Kasama produkto.
Ganto mo na lang. Ganto mo.
Boy, patry ka na, boy ah.
Okay, first, Drew, Misha, and Chris. Dalawa kayo. Oo. Then, introduce yourself first in your section.
Dalo-dalo tayo eh.
Ay, ikaw na lang. Hindi ka ba?
Pakita ko lang kung
Alisin mo yung ano, mini calendar. Lagyan mo sa likod para may signal. Sa likod ng L.
Magbabasa
Sa
kayo.
gilid lang ng L. Yeah. Eh, magkatabi kayo. Wala ka, wala si Ida yung sa likod. Action!
So, good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. I am Trisha Supan, and together with
And here is our exhibit for today, which is
logo design. So, these logos for the industrial arts embody the essence and significance of this multifaceted discipline. So, industrial arts encompass various fields such as woodworking, metalworking, drafting, and manufacturing. Creating a logo for this domain involves capturing the spirit of creativity, craftsmanship, and innovation that define the industrial arts. In conclusion, designing a logo for industrial arts involves capturing the essence of creativity, craftsmanship, and innovation that define the field. Such a logo plays a vital role in establishing brand identity, conveying professionalism, and communicating values, aiding in marketing efforts, and inspiring pride among those involved. So by thoughtfully incorporating relevant design elements and themes, a logo can effectively represent the rich and dynamic world for the industrial arts.
alright. So since our chosen topic is logo design, we choose this exhibit. First is to portray our logo by using a pin, bottom pin, and we also have a mini calendar. If you browse our mini calendar, there's a logo in each month. So we wanted to show. Here's our calendar. As you can see, the month of April, May, February, and so on. And not just that, we also have our own tote bag or eco bag, which has our logo on it, and also the fan, which is our limited edition fan that have a logo on it. So everything that you are seeing on our exhibit right now is based or more on logo. So everything is based on our course, industrial arts, and also our main logo, which is our title. And that's all for our exhibit.
Kaya naman tayo. Ano mo yung stop mo? I love school.
Parang moving mo.
Pabili po.
Kala mo na. Alas ko. Go.
Hi, I'm John Kenneth Nelio.
And I'm Nicole Ann Ruiz.
And welcome to Paketa Sari Sari
Store. Our exhibit is all about package design. Package design plays a crucial role in both protecting products and communicating their value to consumers. Effective packaging combines functionality with aesthetics, ensuring that the product is both appealing and practical. In the context of Filipino Sari-Sari store, packaging design takes on an additional layer of cultural significance. Though these stores are integral to Filipino communities and their packaging reflects the resourcefulness, creativity, and cultural identity of the people who serve.
Paketa Sari Sari Store showcases the creative and culturally rich packaging designs found in Filipino Sari-Sari stores. The exhibit focuses on distinct types of packaging like the chip bags with mystery surprises, the lollipop packaging, featuring collectible IA students, pictures, and versatile box packaging, and products typically seen in a sari-sari store. Visitors can open and explore the chip bags and boxes, experiencing the surprise elements firsthand and appreciating the creativity behind the designs. This exhibit invites visitors to appreciate the art, culture, and practicality of packaging in Filipino sari-sari stores, recognizing the creativity and community values that these everyday items represent. And that's our exhibit about package design. Thank you. Hey, perfect.
Next, the
Photo.
photo booth. Dapat may sample moves mo. May orientation ko paano pose. Rodeo. Yan, sakto, mag-pose muna kayo mga 5 pose, saka kayo magsalita. Yan yung effect no? May para modeling something. And on your marks, muna. Nakasan niyo yung boses niyo pag istalta. And go.
So, hi everyone, welcome to our booth. And my name is Lindor Palitan together with
Like I said, is Kaya, and we will be presenting to you our photo booth. So, mom, sir, smile po muna. So, this photo booth intends to showcase the photographs of Lindil Vernicolita, wherein the viewers can see a glimpse of the places they visited, as you can see on our background. So, upon closer look, each image perfectly embodies one of the principles of photography, namely balance, unity or harmony, pattern and repetition, contrast, movement or rhythm, and proportion. Additionally, it aims to evoke certain emotions and memory in the audience.
moreover, the main objective of this booth is to encourage individuals to take as many pictures as possible of themselves and subjects or sceneries that pique their interest, regardless of their level of experience as photographers. They are free and intentionally or unintentionally apply the principles of photography to their images and in any way they see fit. The presence of photographic principles, however, is what distinguishes a remarkable picture. photographs are beyond just an item display, as it can also aid in the remembrance of significant occasion and journey solutions.
So, what are you waiting for? Come and visit our booth to capture yet another memory that you will cherish. Since time cannot be reversed, memories can be preserved through photographs so that one day we can look back to this. Thank you.
Alright. Good. Very good. Julius!
Hi ka. Hi ate.
Thank you so much.
Kaya ako tapos bumalik din mo pa. Marami naman.
May kasama ka. Okay, on your marks, and...
Good day everyone, my name is James Zabruska. And I am Julius Padua. And here are our wood for woodblock printing. So, woodblock printing. So, woodblock printing is an ancient technique originated from East Asia, primarily China. So, around the 7th century, this method involves carving as an image or text to the surface or wooden block. The raised areas or inks are put in the blocks, is then pressed on the paper or fabric to create a print. So each block can be used multiple times, making it an efficient way to reproduce intricate designs and text. Woodblock printing extends beyond its artistic value. Historically, it played a crucial role in the dissemination of knowledge and culture. So in Japan, the Edo period saw the rise of ukiyo-e, artist pictures of the clothing world, which included famous works by artists such as Hokusai and Kuroshige. So these prints not only serve as art, but also captured and documented everyday life, folklore, and landscape, preserving cultural heritage for future generations.
Okay, today, woodblock printing remains a revered art form, celebrated for its unique aesthetic and historical significance. By preserving and practicing this traditional technique, we honor the craftsmanship and creativity of past artisans while continuing to explore its potential in contemporary art. We invite you to witness and appreciate the beauty and precision of woodblock printing, connecting what a timeless tradition that has shaped visual culture across centuries. Okay. That's it for our presentation for this exhibit. And thank you everyone. And also here, the artworks, different artworks of woodblock printing. And also, you can see the design of our book represents the spirit of woodblock printing. And also there are artworks of famous artists of woodblock printing in the Edo era of Japan and also Chinese culture. Here. And that's it. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you have a good one appreciating our book. Thank you.
Pahingi ako ha. Henrik ha. Henrik, pahingi ako ha.
Nakakalain na kayo. Ano na, madam? Isa lang yun.
Ito na.